Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some plum chutney. So today we're going to be making some plum chutney. So we've picked these plums, and these are some wild plums. We've only got a little bit, but I'm going to preserve them. As you can see, they're getting a bit squished up. But they should be fine for our chutney. So I got about 400 grams here. I've got some sugar, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of ground cinnamon, a little bit of salt, just a teeny splash of this cayenne pepper, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. You're gonna start by chopping all these. Take the pips out and chop them up into small pieces. Wild plums are pretty delicious, they're pretty amazing. If you can find yourself a nice tree, definitely I suggest picking some. When we're making chutneys or jams, they act as a preservative, so you get to keep these plums for longer. That's pretty much the whole idea, but on top of that they taste delicious. This is looking much better now, it's becoming a liquid. Just going to give it another 5 minutes and let them come down a little bit more. Sea salt, and a little spread of this in there. Cinnamon. Some cinnamon in it.
Cinnamon.
Just a little bit. Just a little piece. I'm not sure that's not sticking that. Just do right underneath, make sure it's not stuck. That's looking delicious. It smells absolutely beautiful. With that cinnamon in there, it just complements them plums so well. Is that fun?
Yeah.
It's looking nice now. What does it smell like?
Nice.
Yeah.
Is it done now?
Not quite. Not that. Not quite. Really. Have a little clean up a sec. Go on then. Never mind, I got it on you anyway, so I can show you it after. This is looking absolutely delicious, and as it should be. I'm gonna give that a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. But that is almost done right there. And look at this. That looks delicious. Oh. That's the best plum chutney I have ever tasted. And what we're going to do... Oh, sorry. You've got to try this recipe. So what we got to do now is just add a cupful of apple cider vinegar. Just a little bit. Put that in. A little bit more, I think. Stir this, and we're going to let that cook for another 5 minutes. Well, while we're waiting for this 5 minutes now, I think the best thing to do is to sterilise your jars ready. If you've got sealed jars, they're going to be the best, but to be honest, it's going to be eaten so quickly you don't even really need to seal it up that good, to be honest. So yeah, but make sure you sterilise everything, because you will get mould growing, and that's not what you want. Obviously you want it to preserve. So just make sure you sterilise everything with boiling hot water. That's the main ingredient. You can use some sterilising stuff if you want. You can pick it up anywhere, any baby shop, any cooking shop. But yeah, just make sure you sterilise everything. Let that sterilise just for a minute, and I'm going to pop it all into the jar. Okay, so we've got our jars sterilising. And what I've done is taken a little piece of this and dropped it in. As you can see, it's not spreading around, it's just staying together. If it spreads around, cook it for a little bit longer, so let it simmer for a bit more. But this is done. This is complete. So, okay, here's my sterilised jar. These jars are absolutely perfect because they got a little seal on the top. I've actually lost the seal of this one, but I'm not going to be keeping this too long. It's probably going to be eaten within the week. So, what we're going to do, take this, look at that, and pour it all into the jar. Okay, seal this up. Put the lid in. A little bit too much there. You don't want to overfill it. We've got one sealed jar of plum chutney. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely give this a try. Honestly, the taste is so delicious. Wild plums we picked ourselves, and you can't beat that taste. They're absolutely fantastic. So you can find some plums, pick them, and get on this recipe. Alright, that's it from Fungi-Valley Adventures, and we see you for the next one. Peace.
A little bit sour, but nice.
Yum yum.